listen carefully, it won't take long. A few simple steps and a bit of advice. Soon you recall how to be nice. Soon you recall how to be nice. Rule number one is to wear a smile. A simple act will be worth your while. The next one is simply how do you do. In line is the mood and it's easy to do. So don't hold a grudge and practice forgiveness. Fill up your days with acts of kindness. Hold the door, give up your seat. The feeling inside is hard to beat. Share what you can, lend a helping hand. It lightens the mood, get your head out the sand. Can we find a way to be kind? It's somewhere deep in the back of our minds. Go out your way to make someone's day. Be more polite, you just might make their day and make them feel good. Deep inside you know that you should be nice, be kind, be nice, be kind. Take the high road, it's worth the trek. Even if your friends are pain in the neck, make simple steps and take the advice. We'll soon recall how to be nice. Be nice, be kind, be nice, be kind. Don't hold a grudge, practice forgiveness. Fill your days with acts of kindness. Be nice, be kind, be nice, be kind.